open the chicken coop door and punch it. Chicken on a Saturday night. Come on, let's go racing. Lambert on the bottom. The gray goes top gray on the outside. That is your battle for first. McCatlin and Guevara. Row number 5. Lots of entries here. And this is the trophy dash on the main event. Trophy dash, 4 cars, 4 laps. You get a trophy, you get a dash, or you get Mrs. Dash. You get a little thing of Mrs. Dash for steaks tomorrow. Oh, McCatlin! Force the issue. Lambert said, I can't believe he did it. McCatlin said the steering wheel works great. Oh, and Lambert gave it right back to him. McCatlin knew that was coming, though. He knew that one was coming. And James Lambert, the 8th, said, yeah, you have to give it right back to you. Gray doesn't care what they're doing behind him. Gray goes sees the last lap flag. Jose Guevara trying to chase him down. I don't know if that, they might go, is that 17 the same old black car? Yes, that is the same old black car today. They got a great deal